Hey there guys, and welcome back to our channel where I show you how to use AI effectively. In today's video, we're going to take a look at some of the best free AI photo editing tools out there. That's right, no more worrying about how to figure out how to use Photoshop. Let's dive right in, shall we? Magic Studio. The first free AI photo editing tool that we thought that we must draw to your attention is Magic Studio. Not only does the app simplify your photo editing experience, it also enhances one's abilities in such a task. Thanks to this app, Apple, Windows and Android users can make alterations to the backgrounds of a picture and remove other elements and objects from their images. The app also allows you to streamline your workflow, thereby giving you the assistance that you need to create amazing visuals without much of a fuss. These tasks being carried out by the app are thanks to features such as the AI background remover. This allows you not only to remove and replace backgrounds with ease, it also helps you replace the background with any color of your choice, thereby making it the perfect tool for product photography and other kinds of photos. It also comes with AI Object Remover, which, as we mentioned earlier, will allow you to remove objects or hindrances from your photos. Don't hesitate to try this fantastic new app. OpenAI DALL-E. We take a look at OpenAI DALL-E, a text-to-image model developed by OpenAI with the use of deep learning methodologies to create and generate digital languages with the use of prompts. Groundbreaking, right? This app can generate imagery in several styles, including photorealistic imagery and paintings. This may sound difficult, especially to those who have the task of describing what they want, but these images can be generated with the use of arbitrary descriptions, with generally amazing results as well. Ever improving, the latest version of DALL-E, which is the DALL-E 3, uses Chatgpt to help OpenAI stay ahead of all other apps in terms of AI-generated images and photo editing capabilities. No doubt, you'd work hard to find an app that's better for creating some of the most sophisticated images ever. RemovalAI. Another fantastic app that is perfect for those looking to edit the best photos ever. With this app, one can isolate the foreground pixels of an image so that it can be separated from the background if the photo editor needs to. This app is swift and neat thanks to the software that detects backgrounds within seconds. It also helps the user create transparent backgrounds for their images thanks to the instant background removal feature that lets the user create transparent, white, or other customizable backgrounds within seconds. Interestingly, users of this fantastic tool will rejoice at the fact that they can even use the app's amazing features to add texts or upload the images to different editor tools. With this app, the user will find that their editing work is simple and easy thanks to the app's entirely automated process, which is capable of detecting subjects. This allows the user to create neat cutouts in front of the images, thereby giving the user a higher level of manipulation of an image in real time. A God bless for those who understand how difficult this task is. Seeing that the platform has reliable AI that helps one with their work, it's also great to hear that their customer support for the app is backed by experts who are willing to give their advice or perspectives on how to get the best out of this app. No doubt, editing with RemovalAI is a step towards becoming one of the best photo editors out there. ImageLarger. Finally, we take a look at ImageLarger, a free photo editing tool that must not be slept on by photo editors. One of the best AI tools out there. This is an AI image enlarger and enhancer that has proven to be the final stop for those looking to use AI technology to make their images the best versions of themselves. The app offers several tools that would help the user increase the resolution of their images without altering or ruining the quality of the image. You may think that such features would make the app difficult to use, but the truth is far from it. The app is actually easy and simple to use as the user enlarges the images by 200, 400, or even a whopping 800%. Apart from being able to enlarge their images, the app is also able to correct their light balance and color saturation of the image. Furthermore, one can use the app to perform face retouching tasks and background removal thereby removing the need to rely on apps like Photoshop to do so. As if that isn't awesome enough, one can also use the app to upscale their anime cartoon images to 16K with the AI Anime 16K. Speaking of animation, you can even cartoon any portrait or colorize any black and white photos you may have. Also, the AI Sharpener helps users de-blur their images. To be honest, this may be one of the best all-inclusive AI photo editing apps. With that, the video has come to an end. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more interesting tutorials. Until next time, bye!